Are you on keto but not losing weight? These 5 mistakes are secretly sabotaging your fat loss. Mistake number 1. Hidden carbs. Sauces, dressings, and even so-called keto snacks often contain sugar and starch that spike insulin and kick you out of ketosis. Mistake number 2. Relying on keto junk food. Cheese bombs and fat bombs may be low-carb, but they're nutrient-poor and loaded with calories. Your body needs real food, not just gimmicks. Mistake number 3. Ignoring protein. Keto is not a free pass to drown in butter. If you undereat protein, you'll stall fat loss and risk losing muscle mass. Mistake number 4. Neglecting electrolytes and hydration. On keto, your body flushes water and minerals faster. Without sodium, potassium, and magnesium, fatigue and cravings will crush your progress. Mistake number 5. Believing calories don't count. Yes, keto controls hunger, but if you eat more energy than you burn, fat loss stalls. Energy balance still rules. Stay with science, stay with knowledge, and don't forget to subscribe to Metabolic Truth.